This is a 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. All of the following features are included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a premium sound system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a bed liner, running boards, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and alloy wheels. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Come experience the Drive Baby Advantage here at the Milton Ruben Superstore.